Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the PhoneLink app not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If the PhoneLink application on your Windows 11 computer is experiencing issues, there are a couple of straightforward troubleshooting steps you can take. First, let us locate the PhoneLink app. You can do this by searching for PhoneLink in the Windows search bar. Once you find it, right-click on it and select App Settings. Within the App Settings window, scroll down until you find the Terminate button. Click on this button to stop the application from running. After terminating, you will see a repair option. Select this option and allow the system to repair the application. You will know the repair process is complete when a tick mark appears. If the repair process does not resolve the issue, the next step is to reset the PhoneLink app. Within the same App Settings window, locate and click on the Reset button. Similar to the repair process, wait for a tick mark to appear, indicating that the reset is complete. This action will restore the app to its default settings, which often resolves persistent problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.